What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
We got you a 2013 Dodge Challenger SXT V6. Why is it so zoomed in? All right, factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe, 2 1/4. The whole system is 2 1/4 there and there. What we put on it is a vibrant system. So we put 2 vibrant stainless steel bottle mufflers. Part number 1791. If you guys need the link, it'll be in the description. As you guys can see right there, a pair of those, and then we did a rear muffler delete or resonator delete, and we put some quad tips out the back, black, because you know, why not? There and there. If you guys want those, there'll be a link in the description for them also. They're 2.5-inch inlet, 3.5-inch outlet, black ones. Rolled. There's the 2 resonators, and there's the 2 mufflers that we cut off right there. And right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful, absolutely fantastic exhaust system. Guess what, guys? We got us another one from New York, upstate New York. 2022 Dodge Challenger SXT all-wheel drive. He needs it for that weather up there. Look at this thing. Another satisfied customer. Anyways, we can continue now. Beautiful Challenger 2022. V6. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there, then factory X pipe. It's all 2 1/4 piping, and then he brought his own mufflers, big boys, 4s, right there, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. I don't know if there's a part number anywhere. Anyways, big boys, 4. They're 14 inches long, 2.5 inches in and out. They look like that, right there, right there. They're designed different inside. So just wait and see. I think you guys will like the sound of them. I've heard them before. Never done a video on them, but I've heard them before and they sound really nice. Give it a nice deep tone. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else, there and there. And it's still got the factory tips out the back right there. And there's the 2 resonators that was on it that we took off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right, guys, 2017 Challenger V6. Oh, what we got done on this? Converter. X pipe. Then what we did is 2 FLOWMASTER Super 10s, part number 842515. Then continued the 2 1/4 and did a rear delete there and there to complete the look right there. And then the tips are built into the bumper, so we left those alone. And I like that. Ghost. And the 2 resonators that were on it are right there, and the 2 mufflers were on it right there. We cut all that off and replaced it, so it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Ooh, vibrant never disappoints. I always like vibrant on V6s. They sound so good. Rev it. Listen to that. Listen to that thing purr. Man, it sounds so good. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 112. Perfect. Challenger V6 SXT. Yeah, let you guys hear on that side. Ooh, nice. Not a bad tone, guys. What do you think? Absolutely no rasp. Wow. Big boys got my vote. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. That's not bad. It's clean. That's a nice tone. I like it. Especially for V6, there's no rasp whatsoever. Not a bad looking automobile. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. You like it? That's perfect. It's clean. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 102. That's perfect. Dodge Challenger Ghost. Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Got the Tennessee flag, which we love. We love Tennessee. Oh yeah, baby. Beast bump. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. Here we go. Challenger E6. The former Ghost. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I love it. Enjoy, guys.